John requires nitrogen, oxygen or hydrogen for his production process and opted for a PRISM on-site gas installation from Air Products. But he wonders, how will it work? Will it be reliable? First, our engineers and application specialists will work with you hand in hand to choose the best technology for your production process, whether cryogenic or non-cryogenic. To do so, they will look at your production pattern, how you produce, what is the purity required, what is the pressure needed at point of use. Once this is decided, a PRISM on-site gas generator is installed on your premises, along with a liquid tank. The generator will deliver the gas, and the tank will cover for production peaks or in case there is an outage. The gas is then stored and delivered at constant flow and pressure through a pipeline directly to your production point of use. Reliability is crucial to Air Products, hence a lot of proprietary technology developed to make reliable systems, but also an operating service center monitoring and enhancing the operation 24/7. Why not see how PRISM can work for your company and get in touch today?